Thank you for joining us. I'm Bob Mueller.
And I'm Haley Wilgus. NES alone reports about 77,000 customers still without power right now. The wind brought down power lines across Middle Tennessee, including on this road here in Giles County. Tonight, NES says it has damaged equipment in every part of its service area.
Cumberland Electric says some people could be without power for days. News 2's Kenley Hargett is live in South Nashville tonight, following the challenges to get everyone's lights back on. Kenley?
Yes, Bob, NES says some of the hardest hit areas are Cane Ridge off Davidson Road and along Nolensville Pike. Now, this homeowner right here on Whitsett Street, she hasn't had power since 3 o'clock today. She has had to deal with that, having to make those different changes, and this ruined her Friday. But the homes next to her backyard have power, which she says is frustrating, especially because she says she has to go to work tomorrow.
We left the house and just went to a restaurant, and now we're back and power is still off, and I'm not excited. I would be relaxing and I would be trying to finish cooking and getting ready for work tomorrow.
Yes, and NES also says 19 crews are working right now throughout the night to make sure everybody can get their power restored, and they're also working to get contract crews as well. Reporting live here in Nashville, Kenley Hargett, News 2.